What up, YouTube? How's everyone today? I know it's been a few days before I made a video, so let's get started, guys. I didn't do an install video because there's so much out there on YouTube. You guys can look that up. I don't need to explain anything. I just want to get things done. Alright, got the system in. I gotta clean the truck. It's dirty, even though to you guys probably looks brand new still. But I got the full system in, all the wiring, everything done. I got the base knob right here. Nice and clean install. No wiring or anything like that. One thing, I did order the Maverick plug and play by, I forgot the company's name. But they do the plug and plays for adding amps and stuff like that. I will definitely not recommend them. They sent me the wire harness and the main wire that goes to the back. They did not put the female connector on it. So I had to hard wire all the connectors, which is fine. It's actually a better, but it was bullshit. I emailed them and called them multiple times. No answer, no email back. So if you guys are looking for wiring for your Maverick, go somewhere else. If you just Google Ford Maverick plug and play radio connectors, they'll pop up. Do not buy from them. They're no good. They will not respond back to you. There's no email. It's just a joke, guys. So just keep that in mind, guys. So yeah, I got that installed. Let's go over here, pop the hood, and just show you guys how I ran the power. Alright, guys. This is how I ran the power. Still got to drill a hole just to zip tie it here so that way it doesn't move. But I ran it here, I ran it through here, because that way if you ran it just straight through, it would just have the weight of the wire and you might have a chance of having it pop off. So I did it that way, and obviously you guys can see it runs back on the driver's side firewall. There's a plug. Just drill it, slide the wire through. Make sure when you do the drill bit, make it sure it's smaller than the wire, so that way it's a nice water tight seal on the wire, so you don't have to have like a hole in your. You got the Lincoln engine cover on it. All right. Sorry guys for not making like an install video, but you know, sometimes when you get into the work mode, you kind of just want to get things done. All right, let's pop the trunk. Let's pop the back seat. All right, I still gotta buy a grill, so I just got a box right now, so that way the seat's not sitting on it. But I do have to get the grill for it. It sounds really good. I had to mess with the tuning a little bit. This is not the final wiring, guys. I just wanted to get everything plugged, played. I want to get the radio working. Now I have everything working and tuned where it needs. Now I could wire, zip tie all the things, all the wiring to the board and get everything nice, and then paint the board with bed liner. And you guys can see how I did the setup. Awesome little setup. What else? I don't know what else to say, guys. Just want to make a quick video. I wish I could play it for you guys, but obviously due to YouTube copyrights, I would have to look up. Maybe in a short video I could do like a demo on non-copyright music for you guys. But I just want to show you guys I ran all the wiring on this side for the radio. And then the power cord I ran on the driver's side all the way up and back. So yeah, guys, that was my install of my subwoofer and amp setup. You guys can see, super nice. Sounds good. Definitely added bass where I need it. Really nice. So, and the nice thing about the 10, you can play a lot of music and it sounds really good. Rock, classical, you know, rap. You play it all and it sounds really awesome, guys. So I highly recommend. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll have more videos coming soon. Like I said, I just went to a quick little detour to show you guys what I did. But yeah, just a super clean install, nothing crazy. All right, guys, Hope you guys have a great day. Obviously, you guys can see it's cold. Got frost all over my truck. I washed it yesterday, so I'll wipe it down later today once it dries off. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More videos are coming. And like I said, I'm going to try and do a short video of the stereo, but you know, on video and in person is way different. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you again. And yes, guys, a sub is definitely needed in the Maverick XLT. Maybe even the B&O, because I don't think they bump as much either. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.